Welcome to our channel. I bow unto the lotus feet of Sri Shirdi Sai Baba. Feeling alone does not mean that you are abandoned. It means Sai Baba is working silently. Silence is Sai's strongest language. Absence is never neglect. Loneliness is a spiritual pause. Sai Baba steps during quiet moments. He works when no one sees. He listens when no one understands. Feeling alone sharpens inner faith. Sai uses solitude to strengthen you. When support disappears, faith appears. Sai Baba never leaves sincere hearts. He stays closest during hardest times. Loneliness tests trust deeply. Sai watches you. Silence prepares miracles. Waiting prepares strength. Sai Baba works behind the curtain. Results arrive unexpectedly. Feeling alone removes distractions. It brings focus inward. Sai Baba shapes character in solitude. Pain becomes prayer. Tears become offerings. Sai understands unspoken fears. He hears silent cries. Feeling alone increases surrender. Surrender invites grace. Sai Baba never rushes healing. He perfects it. Loneliness is not punishment. It is preparation. Sai removes false support first. Then he becomes your only support. When humans fail, Sai stands firm. Faith grows stronger alone. Trust matures in silence. Sai Baba teaches inner reliance, not outer dependence. Feeling alone purifies devotion. Sai works when you stop forcing. He acts when you surrender control. Loneliness builds patience. Patience builds power. Sai Baba never forgets his duties. Even in isolation, even in despair. Solitude removes ego. Sai fills emptiness with strength. Nothing is accidental. Every delay has meaning. Every silence has purpose. Sai Baba shapes destiny quietly, not dramatically. Being alone deepens faith roots. Weak faith breaks early. Strong faith grows silently. Sai watches resilience, not complaints. Loneliness teaches acceptance. Acceptance brings peace. Peace invites blessings. Sai Baba enters calm hearts, not restless minds. Feeling alone reduces noise. Sai guidance becomes clearer. He removes confusion gradually, one step at a time. Loneliness creates inner discipline. Discipline creates stability. Sai Baba protects unseen efforts. Tears are counted. Prayers are recorded. Struggles are respected. Feeling alone builds emotional strength. Weakness transforms into courage. Sai does not abandon. He refines. He rebuilds silently. Solitude reveals true faith. Faith without crowd. Devotion without reward. Sai Baba stands closer than breath, even when unseen. Feeling alone increases awareness. Sai removes attachments slowly. Dependence becomes devotion. Fear becomes faith. Loneliness cleans emotional wounds. Sai applies patience. Healing takes time. Sai respects time. When you feel forgotten, Sai remembers. When you feel lost, Sai guides. Feeling alone builds inner silence. Silence hears Sai clearly. Sai Baba works during stillness, not chaos. He strengthens roots underground. Growth happens unseen. Feeling alone removes expectations. Expectations cause suffering. Sai replaces them with trust. Trust brings relief. Sai Baba uses loneliness to teach reliance only on divine strength. Human support is temporary. Sai support is eternal. Loneliness tests patience. Patience attracts grace. Sai Baba walks with patient souls. Through darkness, feeling alone sharpens prayer. Words become sincere. Sai values honesty, not performance. Solitude purifies intentions. intentions become clear. Sai Baba protects the faithful quietly without announcement. Loneliness is not rejection, it is not rejection. Sai removes wrong paths gently. Feeling alone removes pride. Sai feels humility. Humility attracts blessings. Pride blocks grace. Sai Baba watches devotees. Devotion builds destiny. Feeling alone prepares maturity. Immature faith demands answers. Mature faith waits calmly. Sai rewards maturity. Solitude strengthens self control. Self control brings peace. Sai Baba protects mental balance, patience. Feeling alone increases self awareness. Awareness brings wisdom. Wisdom invites clarity. Clarity invites action. He acts when you are ready, not when you ask. Feeling alone tests trust deeply. Trust never disappoints. Sai Baba fills emptiness with hope. Hope fuels perseverance. Loneliness removes emotional dependency. Sai becomes emotional anchor. Feeling alone builds resilience. Resilience builds success. Sai Baba never ignores sincere effort, even silent ones. Gratitude trains inner stability. Stability creates confidence. Sai removes fear slowly, so it vanishes. Feeling alone teaches surrender. Surrender brings relief. Sai Baba listens to patient prayers, not desperate demands. Loneliness deepens devotion. Devotion attracts protection. Sai works during unseen hours. Midnight struggles are noticed. Feeling alone strengthens soul. Soul growth lasts forever. Sai Baba carries unseen burdens even when heavy. Sai Baba removes distractions from truth. Truth becomes visible. Sai guides from within. Inner voice becomes stronger. Feeling alone prepares transformation. Old self dissolves. New strength emerges. Sai Baba rebuilds patiently. Loneliness is temporary. Sai's grace is permanent. Feeling alone removes shortcuts. Sai Baba walks silently beside you, even in darkness. Feeling alone increases humility. Sai never delays without reason. Every pause has purpose. Sai gives lasting faith. Feeling alone deepens inner courage. Courage attracts success. Sai Baba stands firm always, even when unseen. Loneliness is part of Sai path, not failure. Feeling alone is temporary. Sai's support is eternal. Trust the silence. Sai is working. Sai Baba never forgets effort. Every tear counts. Feeling alone ends suddenly. Grace arrives unexpectedly. Sai Baba works invisibly but effectively. Loneliness fades with faith. Faith brings peace. Sai watches patiently. Sai blesses perfectly. Sai Baba is always near. Even now, silence is Sai's language. Faith is your reply. Wait calmly, trust fully, live honestly, serve humbly. Sai is guiding you. Sai is protecting you. Sai is preparing you. Sai is blessing you. Growth happens unseen. Truth becomes visible. Sai guides from within. New strength emerges. Every pause has purpose. Sai Baba is blessing you. Wait calmly. Trust fully. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.